Hello, hello, hello. It's me, Jima Cora. Guys, we have just reached our hotel where we stay at Sungai Petani. It's a Swiss hotel. So if you see this one, it's a big gorilla here on the entrance. And then this is the way to the entrance. We just parked the car, and then now I'm filming the outside of the hotel. So this is the hotel, Sungai Petani Swiss hotel. So this is the place we're gonna stay. And just now we were in the cathedral, the church where they get married, the ceremony. So guys, this is hippopotamus parking. Oh, wow, guys, and this is the entrance. As you can see, these two girls here, Allison and Sandra. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at that. The hippo looks like Allison, you see.
Hey! That's me and Allison. I'm the
Yeah.
little bird.
Oh my goodness. It's quite pretty, but it's very hard to find if you don't know about Sungai Petani. You see? Very nice. See? Just waiting to check in. This is the entrance. It's nice. Not bad.
You know those spray? No. We're not.
Oh, it's raining again. We traveled. The rain is so heavy. You see? And until we reach, still raining. Right? It's a wetty rain now. But it's nice. Very nice. If you look, oh
Does it always goes
yeah, the big gorilla there.
Oh, it's heavy rain.
Hello, hello, hello. See this? This is the Swiss hotel. This is the place you're gonna stay. And as you can see, all Prime Minister, the Dato, the Queen, the King. So guys, this is the front desk. Hello. Yeah. We're just waiting for our friend. Are we gonna stay here? Yeah. The wedding for. Yeah. So this is the place. Yeah. So this is Swiss hotel. So guys, you can see the Swiss hotel. Very nice, is it? Look at that. It's so early, 10 o'clock. The check-in is only 2 or 3. But because we have our things to put inside. Oh, there's a swimming pool here. Yes, the swimming pool. Yes, look at that. This is the recreation. Wow, so nice. So nice. Guys, I'm just showing you where we stay because this is the place where Edison friends wedding, they all stay here. Okay guys, let's see you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also share, comment down below. Bye, it's me, G Makora. Bye, great people, bye.